Hey guys, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning something new. So if your camera automatically shuts off in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, so we will be fixing that by just following the few processes that I'm going to show you in this very short video tutorial. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to our device manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon. You will see the device manager option, so please click on that. Once you do that, you will see this device manager window coming up. Here we need to look for cameras, this one. So once you see cameras, please make a click on this arrow here, and then you will see the camera drive that you are using or the camera device in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So please make a right click on that and then click on this uninstall device here. Once you do that, you will see this small window coming up. So please click on uninstall, and once you do that, it will not be seen under cameras anymore. After doing the uninstalling process, please go to the very top option. You will see action. Please click on that and then click on the scan for hardware changes option. Once you do that, the camera drive that you have just uninstalled will now be back where it has been. So the next thing we need to do is to go to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, this one at the very bottom part. Please click again this arrow here, and you will see all the USB drivers that you have in your device. All you need to do is just to select it one by one, make a right click on it, click on properties, and if you see this power management window here, please just make sure that this is unselected. Now once done, you can now click on OK, and then after doing that, just proceed with the next one. Make a right click again, click on properties, click on power management tab, uncheck or unselect this one, click on OK. Once done, just make again with click with the next one, go to properties. So I don't have see any power management options here, so just proceed with the next one. So if you do this, and if you're done doing this with each and every device here, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your device and then proceed with the next process. So the next thing we need to do, let me just close this one. The next thing we need to do is to go to your settings. So please click on this Windows icon here, go to settings, and then once you do that, you will see the Windows update option at the very bottom part. So please click on that, and then just check for updates if there are pending updates and downloads that is good for your device. So please click on check for updates, and if it says that your device is up to date, then you're good to go and you don't have to worry about anything. Okay. The next thing we need to do is to go to the system here, and let's just scroll down a little bit. Let us look for camera. So here I will be searching camera in the Windows search tab, and if you see under best match camera and then you see here app settings, please click on that, and then we will be able to see the settings in our camera. So just please make sure that the app permissions for camera is turned on, and once you see that this is grayed out, just please make a click on that and it will be turned on. Okay, and it will look like this. And the next thing you need to do is to if it's still not working right, then you can also repair it or reset. Okay, so after doing the process, all you need to do is just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you again on the next one. Bye bye.